पाकिस्तान में आपको पता है एक अपेरेंटली शायद कुछ लोग वाकिफ़ हों, लेकिन एक मे बी नई फील्ड है बहुत से लोगों के लिए, क्वांटम साइंस या क्वांटम फिज़िक्स की हम बात कर रहे हैं।
क्वांटम फिज़िक्स बहुत अरसे से
है। अब उसके कंप्यूटर्स जो हैं वो अपेरेंटली बन भी गए हैं और वो काम भी कर रहे हैं। कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सी चीज़ें मैंने समझने की कोशिश की है। कैलगरी यूनिवर्सिटी से कैनेडियन प्रोफेसर हैं जो आए हुए थे, डॉक्टर बैरी सैंडर्स। उनसे मुलाकात की कल IBA कराची जाके, तो उनसे ज़रा देखते हैं क्या समझाएंगे।
इंटरेस्टिंग, लेट्स वॉच।
होती है कि जो भी मेहमान पर्टिकुलरली पाकिस्तान में किसी ख़ास मकसद के तहत आए, हम आपकी मुलाकात उससे कराएं। और तालीम के फ़रोग़ और तालीम की तरवीज के लिए जो भी यहाँ आता है दुनिया के किसी भी कोने से, हमारी कोशिश होती है कि भाई हम तो जाके मिल ही लें उनसे, कुछ न कुछ सीखने का मौका मिल जाता है। इस ज़बरदस्त क्लाउडी विंडी वेदर ऑफ कराची में हम IBA के मेन कैंपस में कराची यूनिवर्सिटी में मौजूद हैं। डॉक्टर बैरी सैंडर्स हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं जो कि कनाडा से आए हैं और क्वांटम इंफॉर्मेशन और क्वांटम फिज़िक्स पर रिसर्च हो रही है। समर स्कूल है, बहुत से रिसर्चर्स भी हैं, बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स भी हैं, तो उनसे बात करते हैं। उनसे समझने की सबसे पहले तो कोशिश करेंगे कि व्हाट इज़ क्वांटम इंफॉर्मेशन। Dr. Barry Sanders, welcome to Pakistan once again. Probably this is your 9th time here.
My 9th time here. It's like a second home now.
I guess, I'm sure you must be in love with it. That's why you keep coming back here and back and forth. So, Dr. Barry, you're here for the 9th time. You have been to LUMS, you have been to IBA, you have been to other institutions in Pakistan. But for a layman who is watching this right now, we have never really heard about quantum information or quantum physics. Would you kindly elaborate that to us in simple words so we can have a basic idea of what quantum information is?
Sure. First, I'll tell you about quantum physics. So we have descriptions of the universe, the way we think weather works, the way geology works, all this. We have simple terms that are described like Isaac Newton did. This is known as classical physics, some kind of objective reality. Quantum physics is this weird set of laws that we usually only use to describe nuclei, atoms, and molecules. It's a strange world that would be hard to describe in just a few minutes. And nowadays we're working to make these laws work on a much larger scale. So we're trying to build computers and communication and other information systems using these special laws.
So have you been able to build these computers and information system using the quantum information or not?
Yeah, we are making quantum computers. They actually compute. There are quantum computers actually commercially available. You can buy them. You can access them on the cloud.
And they're faster and they're more effective than the usual computers that we use in everyday life?
So the purpose of quantum computers is not really to make them faster. It's that there are some problems that we think we can never solve on a regular computer. And so for certain problems, they're not just faster, they make impossible to solve problems easy.
Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant.
But only in certain cases.
Only in certain cases. So here in Pakistan, here in Karachi, you are having a seminar, a lecture on quantum information. Who are your attendees? Are they researchers or students or other professors as well? What kind of discussions are you guys having? And you must have met a lot of students and researchers before as well. In this particular industry and field, do you see any scope here in Pakistan?
Yeah, so the lectures are pitched to computer science people, even though I'm a physicist. It's really the computer scientists that we need to bring on board to solve a lot of the hard problems. The people in the lectures include students, professors, and people from industry. Is there a potential for Pakistan? Absolutely. Pakistan actually has an excellent history in quantum physics. One of the Nobel laureates in nuclear physics came from Pakistan. There's a fantastic tradition involvement with CERN. So there is a great education system and a great knowledge base to be able to tackle the quantum physics. Pakistan also has students who've gone abroad and are coming back. In fact, some of my own collaborators and 2 former students from Calgary are professors here in Karachi. So there is an increasing knowledge base here, and Pakistan can do very well. A lot of the problems outstanding now are theoretical in nature, so it's not necessary to do a large investment and experiment. Theorists are around, and I think that support is really important.
Brilliant. So Dr. Sanders, although we have spoken about quantum information, not much, but in the limited time that we have, but other than, giving lectures and meeting students and researchers, what do you like here in Pakistan? It's the 9th visit to Pakistan. You've been to Lahore, you've been to Islamabad, you've been to Karachi. What is your favorite thing of the visit so far?
Of course, I love the people here, but
maybe the food as well.
The food is delicious. Actually, what really fascinates me is the archaeological sites and the history. Pakistan has thousands of years of history, and I love going to see the sites. And after this lecture is done, I'm going to go to Mohenjo-daro.
Oh, wonderful!
Which I'm really excited around.
You should plan a visit to Mehergarh as well, because that is reportedly the oldest civilization on the face of this earth. It goes back to 7,000 years BC. It's in Balochistan and not that far. It's nearby.
I think I have to come back again to go to that one.
Yes. Thank you for your time, and we wish you good luck for the seminar.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Pleasure meeting you.
भाई कैंपस बड़ा पसंद आया था और मौसम भी अच्छा था और हमने जो है ना कुछ खाना पीना भी कर लिया था वहाँ पे। लेकिन काफ़ी मैं वैसे कभी कभार अफसोस करती हूँ कि इतनी अच्छी जगह पे गए और मुझे नहीं लेके गया ये वो, लेकिन आज इस बार मुझे कोई अफसोस नहीं हो रहा। बड़ी मुश्किल बातें थी, मुझसे नहीं समझ आई मुझे।
हाँ, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि आपको पूछूं भी ना इस मौजू पे, तो इसलिए
मैं तो इसी बात पे सरप्राइज हूँ कि आप चले गए।